I'm gonna find my baby. Woo! For that sun goes down.
Check it out, I got a little custom project in my email a few days ago. I got requested to do a custom snapback for J379. Gonna be hitting up the face of this with this piece, and honestly I left a lot of the creativity up to me, so excited to dive in and get this piece on some cool apparel. First step with any custom hat, gotta mask off the red area, and then I'll be priming up the little foam section. So let's get into it. I'm running a few different cans here with just some big soft caps on there. Got some iroanlak basics, got some iroanlak regulars, got some 94s, just a little mismatch of everything that I've got laying around. I was feeling that aquamarine style fade from top to bottom. Really thought that would bounce nice off the red hat. There's definitely a temptation to overdo it with this first base layer because it makes drawing with the paint markers a little bit easier, but if you have a super stiff cap it really just doesn't wear well, so gotta kind of play the odds here. I've got a whole slew of paint markers here, got anything from Montanas, molotows to decos, just whatever I've got laying around. They all set in pretty well, so even when I have some more glossy versus some matte finishes, they all seem to look just the same at the end of the day.
Take two, if I had a little love.
Yeah, grab somebody.
Yeah. Just gonna throw a quick layer of clear coat over top of this, make sure the colors hold up well, and there's a little extra bonding there. Just got the 2X Rusto on here, always work well. Did a super light dusting coat to start, gonna let that totally dry, then do another dusting coat on top. Don't really want to add too much and get it too blocked up because then it'll get hard, and nobody likes a stiff hat that's gonna crack and peel apart. And just like that, we got the custom hat all finished up. Super fun to hit up some numbers on this one as well. The 379, definitely a funky combo, and had to push some flow there with the 9 at the end, and then kept a little bit harder with the 3 to complement that G. Altogether, super happy with it, and I hope the client digs it just the same. If you enjoyed the video, you know the deal. Spray that like button, maybe share the video with a friend. The support always goes a long way. And obviously a big thank you goes for the continued support. Be sure to check out last week's video where I was testing out some tall cans from Rusto, as well as a playlist with some of my greatest hits. That's gonna do it for me, guys. Peace.